All right. Good morning. Only a couple people in here, but it's all right. Good morning, Dragon Trader. How you doing? How you doing? Saw all your messages. What's up, wannabe trader? What's up? What's up? Using Tradeify. I'm doing good. Yeah, I'm doing good. I looked at your stuff. The risk per trade and the max loss feature does work on Trendbender, because we use it on everything else. So I would say I'm not sure what happened. I would need to see the chart executions. Yeah, I'm not sure. Unless part of me is thinking that it was, part of the loss is from yesterday, and it just didn't clear on the NinjaTrader screen, But any plans? I'm just gonna be boating a little bit and hanging with the family pretty much. What about you guys? You got any plans for the weekend? Yeah, Trendbender top right, and then we have SBS on the other three charts. The loss previous day. That's interesting. I'm not sure entirely, unless you're trading the account yourself other times. If you see it happen anymore, just take a screenshot of the trades. So make sure you have a chart up. Actually, some people don't have charts up. And they just run it through the account enabling, strategy enabling feature. Make sure you actually have a chart up when you run it. Kind of how I have it on the screen here. We did start the Botfolio stuff this week. We released Botfolio, so that's exciting. I started a Kinfo, which I'll show you guys what that is in a second here. If you guys don't know what Kinfo is, let me show you. All right, Kinfo is a verified, third-party app that pretty much just verifies, hey, this guy's trading. It's verified. This is a real result. You can't fake it. So we started a Kinfo for the Botfolio stuff this week. I'll probably share the link to that this weekend so people can follow along, but up 1.25K this week on Botfolio live 50K account. Obviously not every week will be like that. Some weeks be down a few thousand, some weeks will be up a few multiple thousand. It just depends. It's been in a drawdown. I think the peak we hit this year was around 38% gain on the year, and as of now it's at around 25% on the year, 26%. So in a bit of a drawdown right now, but drawdowns are the best time to start. So joining like a year, that's all right. Can always, if you were wanting to try it out, you can always use it in sim, but I know that'd be partly just a waste of money for people if they wanted to buy it. Just use it in sim. So unless you were, expecting that you'd be able to use it in 6 months and you want to just make sure you know how to manage it and watch it for 6 months kind of thing. But we do have NFP here in 4 minutes, so if you guys don't know how to do the data candle trick, long and short with 5 NQ contracts go like 31 points TP away. And yeah. I do have this stuff enabled just because why not? The goal is not to be at the screen too long today because it is a half day today. Markets close I think at 1 Eastern, and tomorrow I think the same. It's either noon or 1 Eastern tomorrow as well. But I'm not trading tomorrow. I don't think any of you should trade tomorrow. But it is a half day today, so I don't like trading half days. So I was just gonna kind of see how the NFP candle was this morning. Let you guys join, chat a little bit, ask some questions if you got any questions. Not trading tomorrow. Yeah. Dragon Stealth Poker in the Discord just replied to one of your messages. If you want him to read that. So we got London High and Asia Low on NQ that are available. We got 50 seconds until the news comes out. Remember, if you want to catch some eval trades here, I like to personally long an account with a 31 point TP and then short an account with a 31 point TP with 5 NQ contracts. Do that like 10-15 seconds before the news comes out, and you should be guaranteed at least one funded account from that, right? You're not going to win both, but should be one. So I would start doing that now if you're looking to do that. big spike up. There was a big wick down as well. That was a pretty small candle. But again, should have passed if you did my method of longing and shorting before the news. We did pump 59 points, 50 something points. Yeah, 55. So yeah, should have gotten a funded account if you did what I just mentioned. 5 contracts long, 5 on another account short, 31 point TP. Anyone do that or not today? Never tried it. Are you guys trading evals? If you guys are still trading evals, or you know you've never traded a funded account, it's time to just do the eval hack and start trading funded accounts, because so many people waste so much time on evals, and they're never making money. So if you've never been funded, you could have just been funded right there in about 20 seconds. If you are still learning to trade, you don't know if you're profitable yet, evals don't hurt. I wouldn't, but yeah. Swept the data high here. Yep, Apex and Bulanox are my favorite firms to do it with. Both really cheap, 1 day to pass. No, it works on NFP, works on CPI. Sometimes you can do it on PPI. Pretty much any news candle that you expect a spike, then you could do it. I don't know if we're gonna get any trades with SBS or Trendbender. Really never trade pre-market, so I just have it on because it's in news this morning. Excuse me. I'm watching a 30-second IFVG short right now. Oh, are we at? We're at all-time highs right now. No, we're not quite at all-time highs. All-time highs are 934, which, okay, we just swept all-time highs. There we go. just swept all-time highs. I am not really interested in trading the normal market open today, guys. Just so you know, being a half day today, it's just, I don't know, lower quality conditions. Right now, I'm just potentially looking for a trade just because we do have some movement with the NFP that just came out. So that is the reason there. Looks like Media Boy caught some trend bender wins overnight. From the looks of it, at least. Oh, market's already slowing down quite a bit, guys. Market's already slowing down quite a bit. Just be careful today. Treat it as a Friday. Treat it as a Friday today. Because I know pretty much everyone's not trading tomorrow. And I definitely wouldn't trade tomorrow. We are in a 32 range long, actually. Wow. We are in a 32 range long. Wow, we're not doing anything now. We're just sideways a couple points. I want to see a push lower. To be honest. Usually when we take out the data high, we'll often have a short towards the data low, but I think just because it's a half day today, it might be not nearly as good of a day. We've only been live for 23 minutes, but I'd say we're probably going to end the live stream in the next like 15 minutes for the day, to be honest. Just chopping, I know. Boom, 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 boom. We're in a 32 range long again, bottom left chart on SBS. I want to see us move lower just because we did sweep the data high, which again often means we move to data low. But today being a half day, maybe that's wrong. So. Yeah, it's just like we're in like these candles are like 4 or 5 points. That's not very normal. Generally, it's much bigger after NFP. So we'll see. We'll see, but. Yikes. Yeah, half days. Half days. Half days are not good. I'm out break even on a short there. And looks like it's going to come down again, but I've just not been on a good run this week. Well, not the best week for Joe. Not the best. Oh, that's annoying. Just hit my first TP. That's so annoying. Okay. I should never go break even again. My past 5 days have been break even, loss, break even, loss, break even. That would have been my TP. Oh. Manual. Well, I'm gonna just end the live. I hate half days, guys. I wouldn't trade today. Okay. Have a great 4th. I will see everybody next week. But I would avoid trading today. So have a good weekend, everybody.